Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Companies listed on the stock exchange have reported their financial results. The Limners and Bards Limited Lab unaudited financials for the 6 months ending April 30, 2025 reports 6-month net profit of $20.60 million. Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending April 30, 2025 reports a 3% increase in 6 months net profit. Kingston Properties at its annual general meeting noted that its new goal is to hit US $100 million in global assets. The company explained that in order to achieve this objective, it will be building out a modern parking facility on its 7 East Street property in downtown Kingston. Garfield Sinclair, chairman of Kingston Properties, says this development makes sense because downtown Kingston desperately needs better parking facilities. Currently, Kingston Properties says it has US $86 million in assets under management as at the end of December last year, up from US $71 million during the previous year, an increase of US $15 million. For the trading period ending June 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,438,053 units traded, representing 12.5% of market sales volume. Microfinance company Dollar Financial Services Limited with 1,375,697 units traded, representing 11.96% of market sales volume. Media and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 872,625 units traded, representing 7.59% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.20 million purchased and US $52.99 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.64 per dollar, selling the US at $159.94 and buying the US at $158.30. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 92 cents per transaction, with selling at $118.41 and buying at $117.49. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.07 in profits, with selling at $216.92 and buying at $214.85. For our credit report tip of the day, as a founder, every aspect of your financial profile plays a crucial role in shaping your startup's future, none more so than your credit score. Often overlooked, your credit score is a powerful indicator of your financial responsibility and can be the key that opens doors to vital investment opportunities. Whether you're seeking angel investors, venture capital, or business loans, a strong credit score sets you apart as a trustworthy and capable leader, ready to turn your vision into reality. Your credit score helps you to secure better loan terms as it qualifies you for lower interest rates and longer repayment periods. Plus, your credit score unlocks higher credit limits. This enables access to larger lines of credit for business needs. And given that running a business is a team sport, in addition to your credit score, a pitching coach will help you craft compelling, concise pitches that resonate with investors and highlight your financial strengths. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience. For many professional women over the age of 45, asking for the right price for your services can feel intimidating, especially if you're rebuilding after a financial setback or navigating a career transition. You may wonder how to balance your expertise with what feels safe and fair, all while honoring your personal and financial well-being. The good news is you can move beyond recovery and step into financial resilience by discovering approaches that nourish both your confidence and your bank account. Here are some ideas. Join women's business groups. Connect with other women entrepreneurs to share experiences, practice pricing conversations, and gain support in a safe space. And then research market rates. Investigate what others in your field are charging. Use this as a benchmark, but don't feel compelled to undercut. Focus on the value you offer. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.